The girls' bowling team has been rolling into a strikingly impressive season. As their season comes to a close end, the girls put in all their efforts to end their season strong. The girls' bowling coach Megan O'Neill describes how she got picked to fill the role and what she's looking forward to in the future.
They were looking for a coach for bowling, and honestly, I just started doing research about it and thought it sounded interesting and wanted to get involved with the school community more, so I started doing it. I'm hoping to see more registration. We'd love to see new bowlers just step up. I'd like to see more girls just be involved in sports in general, honestly.
Since the team does not have many players, team bonding is extremely important when it comes to building a successful program. Senior Audrey Diaz and Shania Houston talk about how their teammates have impacted their season.
The team is definitely supportive and sweet, and they know how to make you feel included.
The team as a whole, and not having any drama, just all being together and laughing and everything, our bus rides home and everything.
Bowling for the MCHS bowling team provides many great opportunities for some of the current bowlers. Senior Brianna May goes over how she plans on continuing her bowling career after high school.
Yes, I do. I'm actually going to ASU for bowling specifically, so.
After a successful outing at regionals last Saturday, Brianna May and sophomore Emily Carpenter will be competing at sectionals in Dundee Crown on the 11th. If you see either of them in the hallway, make sure to wish them the best of luck. Signing up for the Warrior Weekly, where TJ Hawks, Ari Juarez, Keith Pierce, and Matthew Colano.